Good morning, guys. Today we are going to learn coordinate geometry and area of a triangle. How can you derive the formula of a area of a triangle? For this, draw a coordinate lines, that is x and y axis, and draw a triangle in the first quadrant. That is easy. Draw a triangle in the first quadrant, A, B, C. Let A be the point x1, y1, and B x2, y2, and C x3, y3. Then after this, draw perpendiculars from the vertices to the x-axis. That's the perpendicular. One more perpendicular. Yeah, that is right. So let A meet the point D on the x-axis and C meet the point E and B F. Area of the triangle ABC equals area of the trapezoid. Area of the trapezoid ACET plus area of the trapezoid BCEF minus area of the trapezoid ABFD. So area of the trapezoid is half h into some of the parallel sides. Half into distance between the parallel sides times sum of the parallel sides. That is a formula for trapezoid. Or half h into L1 plus L2. Half h, distance between AD and CE, is DE. So what is DE? DE is x3 minus x1. So that is the distance between the parallel sides AD and CE. That is half y1 plus y3, that is the distance between the distance of the parallel sides, y1 plus y3 times distance between the parallel sides is x3 minus x1 plus area of the second trapezoid, half into distance of the parallel sides is y2 plus y3 times h is x2 minus x3 times x2 minus x3. Okay, x2 minus x3 times y2 plus y2 plus y3. Then minus, subtract, half h. H is distance between the parallel sides is x2 minus x1 times sum of the parallel sides is y1 plus y2. y1 plus y2. Now half is the common factor. y3 y1 by FOIL method you need to open the brackets. x3 times y1 minus x1 y1 plus x3 y3 minus x1 y3 minus x1 y3, then plus x2 y2 plus x2 y3 minus x3 y2 minus x3 y3, then minus x2 y2 minus x2 y1, then plus x1 y2 plus x1 y1. Yeah, some of the terms we can cancel it. See, x1 y1 and x1 y1 we can cancel it. And x3 y3 and minus x3 y3 and plus x3 y3 we can cancel it. x1 y1, one is negative, the other one is positive. x3 y3 minus x3 y3, then x2 y2 minus x2 y2. So half into, take x1 common factor. The first two terms, x1 into y3 minus, sorry, not y3, y2 minus y3. y2 minus y3. y2 minus y3. Then plus x2, take x2 as common factor. x2 into y3 minus y1. y3 minus y1. Then plus x3 into, take x3 as common factor. x3 into y1 minus y2. So half into sigma x1 into y2 minus y3, that is the answer. That is the answer. Thank you.